Choosing the right online course platform is a big deal, you know? It impacts how students feel, behind-the-scenes operations, and overall course delivery. As your business grows, the platform needs to scale accordingly. Ready to turn your expertise into a thriving online course business? Discover Kartra, the game-changing platform that will revolutionize your online teaching career. Kartra empowers you to craft exceptional courses, exponentially expand your reach, and unlock substantial income streams by sharing your expertise. Imagine revolutionizing your online business with a single, powerful platform. That's exactly what Kartra offers, an all-in-one solution that's not just comprehensive, but game-changing for course creators like you. Think about it. Why juggle multiple tools when you can have everything you need at your fingertips? Kartra's extensive features are designed to propel your business forward, saving you valuable time and money. Here's why Kartra stands out from the crowd. First, flexibility is key. Whether you're selling digital courses or physical products, Kartra has you covered. No limitations, just pure potential for growth. Second, say goodbye to the hassle of external integrations. Kartra's wide array of native features means you can streamline your operations and reduce dependency on third-party tools. Isn't it time you simplified your tech stack? But that's not all. Kartra's robust page and form builder empower you to create stunning, conversion-optimized content with ease. Imagine the impact on your bottom line when every page is working hard for your business. Here's where it gets even better. Kartra doesn't just help you create courses, it supercharges your marketing efforts too. With advanced sales funnels and intuitive email automation, you'll be able to promote your offerings like never before. It's like having a marketing expert working for you 24/7. And let's not forget about scalability. Kartra allows you to sell unlimited courses, giving you the freedom to expand your business without constraints. Isn't that the kind of flexibility you've been looking for? But perhaps the most compelling aspect of Kartra is its true comprehensiveness. From native video and webinar hosting to a built-in help desk, Kartra eliminates the need for multiple subscriptions and the headaches that come with managing them. Think about the time and money you'll save. Imagine waking up to new sales notifications while you sleep. Picture the joy of empowering students worldwide with your knowledge. Kartra empowers you to share your expertise, make a difference, and enjoy the freedom of running a thriving online course business. Can you really afford not to have a tool like Kartra in your arsenal? It's more than just a platform, it's your partner in success, designed to help you create, market, and scale your online business efficiently and effectively. Don't miss this opportunity to transform your passion into a thriving online business. Embrace the power of Kartra and watch your online business soar to new heights. The future of course creation and digital marketing is here. Are you ready to be part of it? Hit the link below now to start building your educational empire today and witness the remarkable results for yourself.